We'll guide you through how to unblock someone on Snapchat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Snapchat. So for whatever reason, you previously went and blocked somebody and now you want to go and unblock them. Perhaps they went and apologized to you, or you just want to go and give them another chance. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. And with this guide, you're actually going to be able to go and see a list of the different people you got unblocked. So you can easily go and unblock multiple if you want to as well. But make sure this full guide you know exactly what you need to do. Remember, when you've gone and unblocked them, they're then going to be able to go and add you again and message you again and potentially even call you again, depending upon how things are set up. So you may want to go and consider that, but of course you can always go and block them again in the future. So then they won't be able to go and contact you again. So to go about this, what I'm going to do first of all is go and block somebody and then show I can go and unblock them. So I've got this person here called Rob. I'll tap and hold here and press view friendship. We can press the three dots in the top right, go down, and we can go and press manage friendship. Then you can go and press block like so. So I've now gone and blocked that person. So to go and unblock them, what we need to do is go and head to the top left of Snapchat. That's where your Bitmoji will be or your profile icon will be. Tap there to go and get to your profile as we are here. Next, we need to go and head to our Snapchat settings. So in order to do that, you need to go to the top right and you'll go and see the gear cog icon to open your settings. Now you need to go and find the option for blocked users. So I'm seeing it in shortcuts here near the top. If you struggle to go and find it, you can press the search in the top right, type in blocked, and you can go and see blocked users. So then what you can do is go and tap there like so, and you're then going to go and see the different people you've got unblocked. If there's a lot, you can go and scroll through the list. And so if you want to go and unblock somebody, all you need to do is go and press the cross over to the right. You get this pop up and it says, are you sure you want to go and unblock the Snapchatter? What you can do is go and press yes if you're sure, and they're then going to be removed from the list. And what you can then do is go and add them again as you go and remove them when you go and block them as a friend. And then you can go and get in contact and they'll be able to go and add you and get in contact with you as well.